Chris is out here chasing the sun, from city strolls to a mountain run. Got a fishing line and a punt or two. Every step he takes is a brand new view. Got his gear and his boots laced tight, funny as heck in the pale moonlight.
Oh, wow. No words can express the feats of human engineering. What a behemoth. Look at the crane's actually moving a bit. I can see 12 pylons, like the bases for the wind turbines. It's just colossal. So that ship there's called a wind peak. I need to do some research on that. Massive. Anyways, morning Shadrach. Glad you're all back. Give us a thumbs up, won't you? Too windy. Not so bad inland, but once you get out to like Humber, it's just saying strong winds and stuff on the Maverick 3, on the Mini 3. So hopefully I've got some good footage. Give us a thumbs up and a like. Thank you guys. Catch you again.